Hi, myself Vijay. I am from IT department. Today I am going to explain about how to create a chatbot in which we can store and retrieve data by linking the chatbot to Firebase so that we can store and retrieve data from it. Firstly, we should create a project inside our Firebase, and inside the project in FireStore database, we need to create some collection like we are seeing on the screen. Start collection. And then we need to give some collection ID, and this collection ID must be same as it is in our code also. To access this collection, we can generate auto ID. The field is not mandatory. Just we need to save this. Next you will see what are the APIs I used inside this code. I used for Telegram bot, we use Node Telegram bot API. And for Firebase, for linking the chatbot to Firebase, we used Firebase -admin. These are the two APIs I used. Now let's see how our code works. This first line is to importing the Firebase admin API into our code. And the third line was to import Node Telegram bot API into our code. And this constant token is the token which we can get from bot further, as we seen in past videos. And this service account is used to import or require our key.json file into our code. And constant DB is used to where we can use that constant to access, like in down we can see db.collection name. So using that db we can access the collection in FireStore. Const message is used to store the text we are giving from the user, and the split function is used to split the message which we are getting into some parts. Why we are splitting, we can see in further. If the first array, like after splitting the first one, if it is insert, it must perform this code, this specific code, like db.collection user information add. And first one must be key, like if we give insert Aadhaar and Aadhaar number, key will become Aadhaar, data value will become the Aadhaar number. User ID means the ID which we are getting from the user. For every message we will get some ID. Let's see in terminal. See here, from message ID, not from dot ID is there now, ID 1818, like that. That is the ID. For every message we will get some ID. User ID is equals to that ID. If it is true, then we can send like your Aadhaar number is stored successfully. If the first key value is get, then we must retrieve data from it, like we are using where condition user ID double equals to message ID. Same as it is, if the ID is equals to the ID which was saved in FireStore, then we must print the output from that. Else, if the first character is not both of the insert or get, we need to print a statement like please make sure of keeping get or insert so that we can perform that operations in our chatbot. Let us see how this works in Telegram. Like first we will type like insert passport and passport number. After entering this, wait for a while, we will get like your passport is stored successfully. I think I'm not running the code. First we need to run the code. Parallelly we need to type it. Then see we will get it. Yeah, we got it. Passport stored successfully. And next, if we see it in FireStore, we can see there. Like here, see data value, key value, passport, and the ID which you are getting from it. Every user has different ID. This ID is main crucial thing. If we type get passport, we will get the passport number as it is. Yeah, this is about the code, and this is about our chatbot for today. Thank you.